This is the room tour of room F523 on P&O Britannia. So as you walk through the door, you have a big mirror on your right that you can see yourself in, and on the left you have this clothes storage area. It is literally the same size like in other balcony cabins. So you have hangers, storage for suitcases, and obviously you have the little cupboard there for shoes, and cupboard with shelves over here with a little safe. The bathroom, which is just here, is exactly the same size as well. So you have the sink with a big mirror and a shelf at the bottom there. Obviously your toilet and your shower, which is very decent size shower. Now as we go into the main area of the room, you have the two single beds. This room is set up to have two single beds, a single couch and a Pullman bed. So you have the beds with a cupboard between them for storage, and the other bed and a cupboard next to it for storage. A single sofa that reclines and creates the third bed, and then the Pullman bed is above the single sofa. Now this gets pulled down by your steward every night and put back up every morning. I will show you as well how this room looks once the Pullman bed is down. On the right side, just across from the single couch, you have your little desk with a fridge. The fridge comes with complimentary drinks. Sorry, they're not complimentary, just with drinks that you can pay for. But we just took ours out and then the steward just takes them away. Now you have storage under your beds as well. So you are able to store your suitcases under the bed, which obviously saves some space in the room. It's like this under both of the beds, or you can ask your steward to take the suitcases away. He will provide you with more hangers as well if you need them. Now we ask our steward for a double duvet for the sofa, therefore we have the duvet on top of the sofa. Normally they put it away somewhere, I actually don't know where, but it wasn't there until we asked the steward for the double duvet. Now we have the balcony with this cabin. It comes with the curtains that block the light. Let's have a look at the balcony. So you just pull the handle towards you to open the door. It is sometimes quite stiff, so be careful not to hurt yourself. You have two chairs and a little table, and with this particular balcony, this is the view you will get. So obviously you can see all the way across where you are. We are in Ålesund in Norway at the moment, and then if you look down you have the lifeboat. So this balcony is above the lifeboat 11, and if you look across you will see all the other lifeboats and the bridge at the end. And this is how the 4-people room looks when it's all set up. So obviously those two beds don't change, they are exactly how they are. Now the couch reclines and creates a single bed, which is really comfortable. And then this one is the Pullman bed, so it pulls out of there. You get a little ladder to be able to get up there, and it's really comfy. I actually sleep on here, and I find it very comfortable. It's not the easiest thing to get up. Well, get up is easy, get down is more difficult. But yeah, and if I just get one step further up, I can show you. This is how tall it is when you're standing on it, and this is sort of the view. And honestly, for 4 people that don't spend much time in the cabin, this is perfect. I hope this was helpful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cruise tips. Thank you.